Hello, welcome to the presentation on gender inequalities in ancient Greece by Hilberto Franco Jr. As we have recently discovered, the ancient Greeks prioritized men taking slash operating any form of government or political role. Since this was an era known for gruesome wars, with every civilization wanting to expand their dominance with conquering weaker nearby villages, would probably justify why they focused on men's superiority rather than allowing a female to partake in their heroism. Unfortunately, women did not have a say so, even while at home. Their sole purpose was to ensure that the children and the household necessities were taken care of. These stipulations are just a fraction of what a woman went through. They could not vote, inherit land from their deceased father, or take part in furthering their education. The evidence would indicate that historians certainly only focused on elite males. The ancient Greeks referred to these elite males as aristocrats, which means the best of the best. Ultimately, the aristocrats held a majority of the power along with great wealth and connections. Historians such as Herodotus, Thucydides, Xenophon, because of elite bias or simply to streamline their narratives, often to ignore or regulate the roles that non elite members of Polis played in internal conflicts. Yekel, page 38, paragraph 2, sentence 3. Since historians did not share interest in the less fortunate individuals in society, much similar to the majority of any civilizations, as the most noble or intelligent individuals receive the most recognition. So it would be safe to say that they lacked or failed to acknowledge the capabilities of the less fortunate and to specify more clearly what a woman could have demonstrated. A woman factors into the equation in almost every man of power. In ancient Greece, why is this? Well, in order for the man to continue his family's legacy, would imply that he marry a woman to ensure that the family name continues. So, with this in mind, it would be safe to say that whatever the woman wanted or desired would be accompanied by her husband. Since only a man was capable of holding a seat in office, would dictate that he may or may not have made decisions based on what his wife wanted him to do. In conclusion, we know that the ancient Greeks initiated democracy, which entails that they were far from perfect and had a lot of learning yet to do. Obviously, we have adapted to more ethical decisions over the years, and have continued practicing democracy, as for the people is the most ideal approach for any civilization. Ensuring that the people are satisfied implies that the overall strength of the empire is indeed stronger, as each individual feels equally important to do their part in protecting the cherished land that they call theirs. And this sums up the presentation. I enjoyed speaking with you, and again, my name is Gilberto Franco Jr., and it was a pleasure talking to you.